How to fix Shein payment failed. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Basically, first things first, you want to open up the Shein application. And from here, you then want to click on the Me category or the Me section. Once inside, you want to click on the gear icon. And from here, you then want to click on Clear Cache. Now see if this fixes the problem, but if not, we then want to head over to our system settings. Once inside, you want to navigate through General. Go ahead and click on iPhone storage. And from here, you can just go ahead and look for Shein. And so, guys, once inside Shein, you can just go ahead and click on the setting called Offload Apps. It's this one right here. And right after, a new button will appear called Reinstall App. Just go ahead and click on it, and that will update Shein to the latest version, getting rid of minor bugs and glitches. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.